Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto. I'm Wendy O. If you're not subscribed, you need to be, because we drop the best crypto news in the game. Plus, I'm pretty good at charting too. I've been doing this for a long time. Anyways, before we get started, we are live on TikTok and YouTube. In addition to that, happy Father's Day to all of the awesome fathers out there. More importantly, to all of the men who act as father figures, whether you volunteer at a community center, you are a teacher, you're an uncle, you're a nono, whatever that is. Thank you so much to all the awesome men that are just great, especially the dads out there, especially the dads. So it is, in fact, what is that? Oh. Men will always be kids no matter how old they are. That's just what it is. And I absolutely love it. It's freaking hilarious. But anyways, we are going to, in fact, cover Bitcoin. We're going to cover the markets, see what's going on. A lot of people say that meme coins are in trouble, and that shouldn't come as a shock to you. It shouldn't come to a shock to you in any way, shape, or form. With the technology of Solana, because it is, and Pump.fun, it is so easy to launch continuous meme coins all the time. I don't even know how many meme coins we have. We literally probably have 100,000. And most of them are rugs. So most meme coins are in trouble. That's just kind of the way it works. With that being said, are all people that launch meme coins scammers? No. Are there a lot of scammers out there? Yes. Do people have bad intentions? Yes. But at the same time, I feel like there's a lot of people that are just trying to make money ethically in this industry. And, stuff happens. Not all, and most entrepreneurs fail anyway. So me personally, I have that mindset when I go into any type of crypto asset. Always, because you never know what the true intentions are. And again, we've talked about this on the show, but if you actually take a look at some of the top 100 coins from last cycle to now, they're not there. 2017, 2016, 2015, they're no longer on the top 100. And it just is what it is. So does it make all these people bad people? No. But should you practice risk management? Yes. Should you marry your bags? No. Don't do that. I don't care if it's the only crypto that I feel comfortable not making a moon bag out of is Bitcoin. That's the only one for me. But again, that's just me. That's just me. You do what works for you. I like to practice risk management. If you don't know what a moon bag is, it's when you've done your due diligence, you use disposable income. My forehead is itching, probably because it's a 5 head. You dump money into something, number goes up, you remove original investment, profit enough for taxes. Also, too, we hosted a very successful meetup downtown LA yesterday. There was about 150 people that signed up. I think 75 plus showed up, which for our first event, that was freaking amazing. I haven't hosted one since like 2021, I think. So shout out to everybody who came. Shout out to our partners, SQUIDGROW and Silent Swap and Secret Network. How does that work with my partners as far as events go? They cover the event to rent out the space and food and drinks for my guests. I don't make anything off of it. So I go and I dedicate my time for these things. And again, I've done countless of these events. Why? Because it's important. It's important for people to create a really awesome space for people to come, chat, talk, network. So if you were there last night, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We will be doing more. The next one, we probably will have like a little panel, something like that. And the reason why I wasn't able to do panels and things last when I was doing it before is because I don't have the bandwidth. If it's just me by myself hosting these things, that's a lot to do. Plus, I am a full-time mom. I have my nephew that I hang out with a lot. I've got people in my life, my personal life, that depend on me. Plus, I do a lot of content, like an absurd amount of content. I make more content than anybody else in this industry. I've got a great team behind me, but at the same time, it's a lot of effort. So if you know a venue, we're trying to do one maybe in Orange County, in San Diego, maybe Riverside. Happy to explore events. We've got to keep the costs down though, okay? Because I don't want my partners just to be spending all this money. So anyways, with that being said, let's get straight into it. First and foremost, this is what the entire crypto market cap looks like. I'm going to disappear for a minute. We're going to be disappearing a lot on this channel. This is the weekly. The only cryptos that are really doing well in the top 100, Ton, Lido, Uni, Rose, Monero, Pendle, GNO, Not, KuCoin. That's really it. That's really it. Now, I do want to take a look at Dog because Dog Go to Moon, because that is my favorite rune. And I told you guys it's something we're going to be talking about a lot on the show. So this is Dog over here. Dog is currently ranked 105 in market cap, which is freaking amazing for a meme token. The market cap is $741 million. So hopefully we could get back up to that $1 billion mark, close to it. That would be epic. But again, I'm invested here. I don't know why in the hell FTX's native token is up 7.3%. Y'all are absolutely insane, but have fun. But again, I love Dog Go to Moon. I hold some. I got some with the airdrop. I wasn't giving anybody. No one's paying me to talk about it. Next, I want to talk about the liquidations. Okay. Why are we talking about liquidations? Well, I'll show you why we're talking about liquidation. I'll come back. Don't worry. You guys see my face. This is the hour liquidations. Nothing too terribly crazy. Nothing like we've seen in the past, like when we're talking about like $300 million, $1 million, etc. Right now, as far as liquidations go in the past 24 hours, the most liquidations actually come from Ethereum. Really come from Ethereum. And I think one of the reasons why is because of the Ethereum spot ETF. So stop being degenerates. Really, really stop being degenerates. I do think that Ethereum is programmed to hit $10,000 eventually. Not today. But why are we using leverage? Why are we getting liquidated? Stop doing that. So as far as the 24-hour liquidations go, only 42 million, which is not that bad. So that's good. But at the same time, most of you have no business using leverage. You don't. But let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, Miss B, and see what she's doing. I talked about this range between $60,000 to $73,000 Bitcoin. Okay. If we break down below $60,000 Bitcoin, I will be concerned. Today, I am not concerned. It's not an issue for me. Let her range. Let her cook. Previously, this cycle over here in 2021, we were freaking ranging. That's not really a good one. Over here, let's do over here. This is a little bit better. This one here, we were ranging from $36,000 to like $46,000. This is the $10,000 range. Similar price action over here. But that's what Bitcoin does sometimes. And that's good. We want that. When anything that goes straight up is probably a scam. The weekly does look bearish. It does look bearish. And if Bitcoin does in fact dump and starts retesting $60,000, the market's going to get ugly. Altcoins are going to react. There's going to be some meme coin outliers that will do well. So plan for that. Am I calling this a top? It does look a little bit toppish, but at the same time, I'm not saying this is the exact top. I'm simply saying be prepared for a drop down to about $60,000. If it happens, that would suck. But at the same time, you should be prepared. So as far as the weekly goes, we open at $69,000 over here. I'm going to go ahead and change the pretty colors. So we open at 69, close to 70,000. We're currently trading at 66, and we got a swing wick low to 64.7. That's what we're looking at. It's an ugly candle. Market Cipher is also giving me bearish vibes. I'm going to toss on Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands is showing that we got support here at $63,000. Also here at 61. We do have support at 47. I don't think we'll see 47. I don't. But we are bearish. The top of the Bollinger Band is curling downward. That indicates some bearish price action. As you've seen this happen before. Over here, this toppish area, 2021. Bear. Okay. Taking a look at the daily. Daily is showing us a bit of a different picture over here. And yes, I am paying attention to both ticky-tackies and to other stuff. Can you explain what we're looking at with the liquidation chart, or is it diagram? So basically with the liquidation chart, it was in fact as a heat map. It kind of shows you the type of liquidations that we're seeing. So most of them were longs with Ethereum. And anytime, and that's just people using too much leverage. And since we're talking about leverage, let's go ahead and talk about it really quick. Okay. You don't need to be using leverage unless you are an experienced trader. You're somebody who knows how to use stop losses. You live by your computer. You understand the risk. You know what liquidations are. No reason to use leverage. Okay. Any way, shape, or form. Don't need to. It doesn't make sense. Also too, you should be using decentralized exchanges. And that's why we've also partnered with ZoomX. ZoomX, the ref link is going to be down below, but basically what it is a centralized exchange that also offers a decentralized aspect. What does that mean? It means that if you are brand new to crypto and you need to use a centralized exchange, you can do so. You can use centralized aspect, but you should learn how to self-custody your coins, okay? Why do you want to self-custody your coins? So you can use their DEX, because when you're able to utilize a DEX, then you get to hold on to your coins and you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so start educating yourself on that. We'll probably make a video regarding that. Also, too, Raider said that Ton memes are printing, and he's right. Ton, we have partnered with them in the past, but Ton is part of the Telegram kind of ecosystem, and they've got a lot of gaming. They're doing airdrops, doing all these crazy things, and a lot of people are just farming there. And when I say farming, I'm not talking about the traditional farming. I'm literally talking about people who are playing games and they're earning tokens. So why not? That's part of how you get airdrops these days. Now back to Bitcoin. We're taking a look at the daily chart. Okay, the daily, we're getting minimal price action. We pinched the bottom part of the band at about 65,000. We're trying to break above 66.6. It's not looking too terribly great. However, Market Cipher's got that nice upward curve. Okay, so right now we're really kind of in a bigger consolidation range between about, I would even say 70,000 to about 64,000 over here. Now, taking a look at the 12-hour chart, 12-hour chart is looking okay. We're not seeing a lot of price action. It's pretty slow. In the 4-hour chart too, we're getting that pinch, so we're going to get a vol to move. It's probably, and if we pinch up here, we're probably going to get rejected and come back down to about 64. So for me personally, when I look at Bitcoin, I'm really looking at the bigger picture, the moves between 60,000 to about 74,000. Now, taking a look at Ethereum. This is Ethereum chart. Ethereum actually had a pretty nice bounce. And it looks a lot more bullish than Bitcoin. That's probably because the Ethereum spot ETF has been announced to be listed July 2nd. And that's good. That's good. Also, make sure you guys smash the like. Smash the like. I would appreciate that. So with that being said, Ethereum has heavy resistance, about $3,700. Taking a look at the weekly looks ugly. However, this right here, the swing look low all the way to $3,300, but now we're trading above 3,600. That's bullish to me. So just as long as we stay above 3,500, I'm good. I'm good. Quickly, let's take a look at Solana. Solana looks like dog crap. And you know what? If we broke support here at 137, that would be great. I'm also looking here at 113, just in case. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm not saying we're going to see sub $100 Solana, but if we ever did, I would buy the crap out of it. I'm just showing you guys levels. Now, taking a look at the daily. Daily looks nice, though. We were pinching the band, and we popped up. And it also looks like we found a local bottom utilizing Market Cipher. I've got a link for that in the bottom as well. That being said, we've got heavy resistance at 156, but this is good. So if we were to consolidate between 137 and about 158, cool. Love to see it. Love to see it. Really quickly, Dog Go to Moon. Dog Go to Moon had a beautiful bounce on the daily at 0.006. Again, I hold Dog to Moon. The reason why I hold Dog to Moon is because I got the airdrop for buying the runes. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at some degenerate stuff over here. Some degenerate stuff for all you beautiful people. For all you beautiful people. Oh, TikTok froze. Do we freeze? What is going on? TikTok froze. Why is TikTok freezing? Share your live. Hold on. Mark it up. View, highlight. Why is TikTok freezing? I don't know why. Hold on, let me ask them. Why are we freezing here? Hold on, let me see what's going on with TikTok. Oh, it works fine. Hold on. Somebody says that they can see it. Hold on. I want to just see what's going on. Let me know on TikTok if it's frozen or not, you guys. We can still hear for you, but you're frozen. This is dumb. Frozen for me. How do I refresh it? All right, let's end the TikTok stream and then I'll restart it, okay? We're going to go ahead and pause it. Okay. Viewers can watch this live at the moment. Live will end if left on pause for more than 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and resume it. So it's continue live. Hello. All right, let me end the live really quick and we'll restart, end it. And then we're going to go back up. TikTok does that a lot. And that's why I stream from my phone. Okay. So I stream from my phone. So we're going to go live. Okay. Here. Okay, submit, go live, choose here. Sorry guys, I know it's annoying. Cancel. Okay, go live. Why? So freaking annoying. Topic, choose. Okay, education, go live. All right, let's see if it makes a difference here. Hello. Dude, this sucks for TikTok. What's going on? Man? What is it doing? Really? Co-host? Yeah, we're going to get off TikTok. Just not working for whatever reason. I don't know why, because YouTube is working totally fine. All right, we're just going to end this. This is capture. Oh, what? Hold on a second. Let's see if it does this. It's our virtual camera. Let's see if that makes a difference. Hello. All right, here we go. We're live. All right. Sorry, YouTubers. I apologize. Shout out to Mr. Trader SZ for the $100 super chat. Actually, since SZ popped in, we are going to be doing his favorite coin. I'm just kidding. I don't know if it's his favorite coin, but because Mr. SZ popped in, we're actually going to chart KHAI because we love KHAI. I actually hold KHAI. Kitten hammer is adorable. So there's a chart over here. And generally these patterns, when you're in a downtrend, they get a nice pop up. So we've got some price action. We got a little bit of a dip. So for those of you who've been holding, shout out to you. But we've got a nice little dip over here, and we're holding the line at about 45 cents. And this thing did so well for me. Absolutely well. So this is, if you like meme coins that actually have a real utility, because it's exactly what KHAI does. And if you do take a look at their roadmap over here, they launched their token. They've got community growth, sustainability coming. They've got NFT integration. A lot of the artists there are super amazing. Like if you go to SC's page on Twitter, you can see his little icon. I think that's one of their artworks. Pretty sure it is. Not 100% sure. He'll have to let us know. But also too, in Q3 of 2024, they're doing gamification. Plus they've got merchandise, physical goods. Like this is what you want to see from a meme token. When we're talking about meme tokens, you want to see like, yeah, they're fun, whatever. But the ones that are going to stick around, you want to see actual things being built. So now taking a look at KHAI over here on the chart, back to the charts over here. And so my TikTok audience can see. How can you do spell token? No, I'm doing KHAI right now. So we have this nice little drop here. Just as long as we hold the line at about 44 cents, generally these patterns, when they go down, then they get a pop up. It's like a descending like wedge thingy. Okay. That's what you can see quite a bit. And we saw that pattern over here as we had that drop to about 55 cents. And then we had that pop up and then a drop. But understand too, one of the things we also need to understand is like when Bitcoin is dumping, a lot of meme coins will dump, especially the good ones. Okay. And that's just my personal opinion. But as far as the metrics go, the market cap, it's about $29 million. Liquidity is about 700,000. It's got the circulating supply. And one good thing I like too with the holders, there's a lot of holders. So it's just not a small amount of people that are holding KHAI. There's a lot of them. There's almost about 15,000 holders. And that's good. That's definitely something that you do want to look at and pay attention to. Now, taking a look at the 4 hour, let's see if we can see anything there. We had a nice bounce up. So hopefully our next target will be about 77 cents. Okay. About 77 cents. So with that being said, shout out to the KHAI community. And yes, I will get to all of your different requests soon. Descending wedgies. Yep. We love the descending wedgies over here. Why not? Why not? Why not? So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the degen coins that you guys have commented in the chat. If you want me to take a look at your coins, I would prefer to take a look at projects that look like KHAI, just because those particular coins, I do think that they will stick around, especially because of the artwork and the gamification and all of that amazing stuff. So again, if you want me to take a look at your coins, what I need from you, you have to put the chain, you need to put the contract address, and you all talk about the petrodollar. Is that a meme coin? I need the chain. I need the chain, the contract address, and the ticker. Okay. And the ticker over here. So let's see. Can you cover rum? Okay. If you guys aren't putting the contract addresses, I am not going to take a look at it. Somebody said SUBO on Solana. So let's go ahead and put that in. Thank you so much for following directions. We'll go ahead and take a look at KERMIT as well. Okay, we'll take a look at KERMIT as well. All right, let me go back over here. Let's go put in the contract address. See how easy it makes my life, and I can just do these. Yeah. All right, so this one just launched. So again, you got to be careful. It just launched 2 days ago, so be careful. And again, happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the awesome dads out there. Now taking a look at the daily chart. Let's see. See, it just launched. So this thing pumped. And this thing just freaking launched. So again, a lot of risk here. A lot of risk. Market cap is only 5.29 million. Liquidity, about 400,000. Not too bad. Total market cap, the volume, the DEX score is 99 right now. So I'd be cautious here. You would have to really take a look at like the hour chart, etc. So right now, this chart doesn't look good. So we launched and then dropped and launched, went sideways, it pumped sideways, and now it's dropping again. If we do lose 004, forget it. I could be wrong, but at the same time, we had an 86% pump in 24 hours and it's starting to correct. So we'll see what happens with that. But again, not financial advice, not yourmom.com. Okay. So, okay. Raider said Mochi on base. Okay. Raider, DM me on, I think we have that one because we're holding that. I have to take a look. Let's take a look at, Gamer said, hold on. Gamer drops alpha. Question, did BTC Dog just make high or low on the charts? And what happens if it makes a higher high? We go to the moon. Dog goes to moon. Dog go to moon. KERMIT on base. Somebody dropped the ticker here. KERMIT on base. Where is it? Rodman KERMIT. Okay. KERMIT on base. Okay, let's see. KERMIT on base, and make sure you guys smash the like. I'm frozen again on TikTok. Why is this doing that? All right. And live. Hold on a second. We're just going to go over here. Okay. We're just going to go here. Hold up. I got you TikTokies, ticky-tackies. Ooh. Live. Go live. You guys, I'm sorry about TikTok. It does that. It's just being a ghetto mess sometimes. Oof. All right. There we go. We are live. Woo. I don't know why it keeps pausing. Oh, my back, my neck, my back. Okay. I'm just going to start streaming on Twitch and all of that stuff over there. Okay. So let's take a look at KERMIT, I think they said. Let me see. Yep. KERMIT on base. All right. There's a bunch of buys on the chart instantly. This is a super small market cap. This thing might actually do well. We'll see. But the DEX score is only 51 out of 99. So that makes me a little bit nervous, baby. A little bit nervous. Okay. Proceed with caution. This is not that bad, though. This is not that bad. Raider, I will respond to you in a second. I got the contract address. Thank you so much for sending me for Mochi. All right. Now, for KERMIT, sideways. This might not be that bad. Okay. So this might not be that bad. This thing just launched on May. Actually, no, let's launch for a while. This isn't that bad. Raider, what do you think of this price action? KERMIT launched on May 21st of 2024. It's under $100,000 market cap. The DEX score isn't that great, but a bunch of people are buying. As far as the holders go, there's 97,000 holders, which is a lot. What do you think, Raider? I want to get Raider's take on this. So I don't know. It looks like, I don't know, this might be a good degen play. I don't know. Looks like kind of a fair launch. I could be wrong. It could be 100% wrong. It doesn't look that bad, though, with KERMIT. It really doesn't. Again, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. This thing could go to zero. But right now it's trading at 1826. So I don't know. Kind of cool. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Mochi. Shout out to Mochi. One of the things I want to say with Mochi, so Raider sent me the contract address. Thank you so much. This is the daily. This thing was launched in 2023. So this has been on base for quite some time, which is good. I like that. So the team has been there for quite some time, which again, we love. We absolutely love to see it. I like projects that are just kind of been around and building. And they also have a 0% tax, which is good. And they're also KYC to Coinbase, and they got a grant from Coinbase, which is kind of important. However, chart doesn't look that great as of now, but that's okay. It's retracing back to these low levels. And just as long as we hold 1570, great, fantastic. The market cap is at about 21 million. There's a 75,000 holders, which is good. And they also have an OpenSea. And I do like these. I do like the little Mochi, the little NFTs. I think that they're cute. You guys know I'm a sucker for cute for cute little adorable whatchamacallit NFTs. I like this one a lot. I like this. This one's so cute. But again, this is on base. And again, Coinbase's smart wallet just launched, so that makes me even more bullish on some of the memes on base. But this is kind of isn't a meme because they actually have like a legit NFT collection. Okay. What did Raider say? Nothing. Shout out to Ray. Shout out to my awesome community. Somebody said peach on base. We'll do that because another one. But again, as far as Mochi goes, price wise action, I think that this is okay that we're getting a drop. Again, Bitcoin is dumping. If we do lose between 1530, I'd be like But again, it's been around for quite some time. So this isn't too terribly bad. And there's a lot of holders that I like. So that's good. It's a base meme. This is the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, see if we can see anything else. 4 hours looking okay. We're actually holding the line here at about 1893 over here. And I do want to see, somebody said peach. Take a look at peach. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So this is peach. This actually launched a long time ago. Is this on base? Contract. I think this is on base. The market cap is $3 million. And it launched over here, March 2024. One thing I do like is that it has been in accumulation mode for so long and it dumped so hard. And now we're starting to get some positive price action. There's 5,000 holders. Liquidity is not a whole lot of liquidity. But I do like that it bottomed out so much and it's starting to move upwards. So this might be a good play. Will it hit all these all-time highs? I don't know. I don't know. I would just be a little bit cautious there. But this doesn't look too terribly bad. And it's only 0.003. Okay, 0.003. Again, notyourmom.com, financial advice. We'll go ahead and do rum. Check the wallets and all that G-Gen stuff. Yeah, Raider. I would have to look closer at KERMIT. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. But at the same time, got to check the wallets and see why there's so many wallets. All right, rum on Sol. This thing launched. You know, this is actually holding up pretty well. $175,000 market cap. This one isn't too bad either. Really, it's not. It's held up really nicely. It pumped and it got its drop, but it's held up its support really nicely at 1374. So not too terribly bad. Again, not financial voice. Entertainment purposes only. Not too bad. Now taking a look at the hour. Not too bad. All right. All right. Got a really low DEX score though. So shout out to Rum. Anyways, you guys, with all this being said, let's go back over here. Dog go to moon and we just started pumping. You are a distraction over there. All right, dogs pumping. We're retesting the Bollinger Band, simple moving averages. Hope we go up. All right, that being said, you guys, with Bitcoin, we're just going sideways. So watch this areas between 71,000 and about 64,000 over here. On that note, I just really want to wish everybody a happy Father's Day again. Sending everyone love and light. Practice risk management. Anything we said on the stream today is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. If you want a really great DEX to use, take a look at ZoomX. In addition to that, take a look at their centralized platform. All that stuff. We're partnered with them. Ref link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me today. Happy Father's Day. I will catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye, babies. Sorry that TikTok wasn't working. Love y'all so much.